एनलाइटनमेंट सच अ हैवी वर्ड ना, पर इतना भी भारी नहीं है जितना हम समझते हैं. सो लेट्स ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट एनलाइटनमेंट एक्चुअली इज. हमने पहले बहुत बार सुना है कि लव इज गॉड एंड गॉड इज लव. सो हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट enlightenment is not a state which you will achieve after death. Like after you die, you will get some mukti or some liberation. No, love is the real enlightenment. You must have felt in your life when we are in some new relationship, maybe some girlfriend, boyfriend, or when we are newly married, or maybe when we have a newborn baby or new car or some new dress, what kind of a feeling we have. At that time, we are totally dissolved in the other person, right? When we are in some new relationship, sometimes we are feeling seventh heaven, maybe beyond seven sometimes. We are so much on phone all the night, forget to eat, sleep. We are kind of beyond body and mind, beyond senses, right? We forget ourselves. We forget the ego. So, this is the kind of state which happens in real enlightenment. But here in the world, all the pleasures are temporary, short time pleasures. The pleasure is temporary and the frustration is forever. And this COVID 19 times, the Mother Nature is showing us how uncertain and how temporary everything is. Our breath, our life, all the relationships. Anything can happen at any time. But today we are talking about one state, one feeling, one enlightenment about that love which is permanent, जो शाश्वत है, जो अनंत अनंत असीम है, जो कभी खत्म नहीं होता. That kind of love we can feel if we spend some time with the universe, with our higher self, with our own mind, with our own body. If we do a little bit of sadhana, then we will come to know that there exists one love which is beyond, which is permanent, which is forever. और आज हनुमान जयंती भी है. टुडे इज़ द डे ऑफ लॉर्ड हनुमान, which is an ocean of love. Hanumanji loved his mentor Rama so much from his heart that he totally forget himself. So in our life, we look for one thing on which we can totally throw ourselves, एक ऐसी खूंटी जिस पर हम खुद को टांग सके. So we have to find that kind of love from where we can get. It can be a plant, it can be Mother Earth, it can be sun, it can be moon, it can be God, it can be Shri Guru Maharaj Ji, it can be Shri Paramhans Dayal Ji or the yogis from the higher who are 24 hours available to us. So this is the true love, and the mind and the heart needs love, and the universe is giving us love 24 hours. But the problem is, अगर बाहर हमारी खिड़की के बारिश हो रही हो, सूरज चमक रहा हो, लेकिन हमने अपने दरवाजे को बंद किया हो और हमने इतना ढीठ हम बने हो कि हमको बाहर निकलना ही नहीं है, तो no one can help us. The universe is showering the love on us 24 hours. The angels are there, the spiritual masters are there to guide us. But we are continuously crying on the past for the future, which is never going to happen. So today is the Enlightenment Day. Today is the day of love. One time it happened that somebody gifted one beads to Lord Hanumana. And Hanumanji, he just threw every bead on the floor. उन्होंने देखा कि किसी भी मोती में सूंघ के देखा, उन्होंने सुन के देखा, किसी भी मोती में उनको भगवान राम की आवाज़, उनका टच फील नहीं हुआ, तो उन्होंने उस माला के एक एक मणके को फेंक दिया. So this is love, the total dissolution, the total evaporation. We can also feel the same love when we are beyond body, beyond our mind, when our ego is completely dissolved. And that kind of permanent love we can get only and only on the spiritual journey from our own soul. So let's pray to the higher that please open the doors for us so that we can walk on this path of love, because we are love. We are the ocean of love. We don't have to beg for love from anyone. Yeah, this is the truth. The only thing is, right now we don't have the eyes, we don't have the intellect to feel the truth. We can feel the truth which is beyond, which is permanent. So let's start your spiritual journey with us, with the five angels, which can take you to the world beyond, where you can feel the love 24 hours in every breath, every moment, day and night. So have a happy